He is not new to the system.
Oh yeah, sure.
See, as we speak, Kerry don't know your regional organizer. But only say there no can na go to me as regional organizer. No go to me I only say. But what me anya because system na kasa board the mafia. I don't the onka. And then you know na catch me because we all saw whatever he was doing. We all know what he's doing in the region. Because of interpartisan politics in see. Oma man kwama na anya na djuma. That is why you make his statement be say, oh Bobo na some midfield ni break here. It affects every department of the game. He is the midfielder. Omo breaking the wings. Na mo the party nyama na nke say organizer ye no mo de ne nam tenten wa e de mo ankasa mo boys. No mo ye adwuma no. Omo party na wie ye in the just in the ended elections. In the region. Na wie ye. It is just because the organization was so poor. Nipa na kese ye de ne ye midfielder. Ya fa na ye mana mo ball no.
Say me kai say afi na obi abusa say na hwan na ye organizer wo.
A drew point bi kra na ye fa ne nkọ ba bi na nko mutumi nkọ ya de no mo nye ne yie no. No mo de omo nkofo de ye. No mo bo Harry Maguire for no mo bo own goals. Now today as we speak. So when you was also by regional secretary, I am happy because of the alignment. On the chairman Odeneho Appiah, he's very visionary. Omo try omo here. No mo fa regionation omo sa. Ni ehwe ne besi wo ha no mo say. Say if omo anya significant improvement within the 4 years I mean some say ba bi so ba beto aba. Bad is no mo pam omo. But I trust in their competence.
Okay, thank you.
Omo team no there. I mean, well knowledgeable people. But I couldn't there now.
Led by Pep Guardiola. Pep Guardiola. Chairman Odeneho Kwaku Appiah. Anyway,